so today we're going to demonstrate donning and doffing of PPE. So I'm going to start by putting on my hairnet like so, making sure it's covering all of my hair and I don't have any strays. Next thing I'm going to do is put on my mask, making sure it's secure, which it is. And lastly, I'm going to put on my goggles. Okay, next we're gonna put on our gown. We have the outside of the gown, which is sterile, so we do not wanna touch the outside of the gown with our clean hands. So we're gonna ensure that we only go inside of the gown, which is also clean. So I'm gonna go inside the gown, pinch it so I don't drop it, oops. And I'm gonna bring my arms through the sleeves. Whoa, wow. Okay, there we go. Through the sleeves and wiggle my arms until my hands are all the way out. And I would also ensure that someone just ties the back of my gown. Wherever the ties are, just ensure that it does not come off. Lastly, we're gonna put on our gloves. So I'm just going to take my clean hands and go underneath the outer edges of the paper just to open the gloves. Now with my clean hand, I'm going to go inside of the glove and where it's clean. And I can also use my other hand on that area as well, just to help me pull the glove up onto my hands like so, making sure that the cuff just stays cuffed. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the other glove, but I'm going to use my sterile hand now on the outside of the cuff to assist with putting on my left glove. Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. And boom. So now I'm just gonna also roll my gloves all the way up, making sure just to touch the sterile part, sterile on sterile like this. And same thing on my right hand, sterile on sterile, and we're good. So now I'm going to do the doffing, and the first thing we're gonna do is remove our gloves. So like I said, I only wanna touch sterile to sterile, so I'm gonna grab the outer part of the glove here, roll it down and remove it. Now with my clean hand, I want to go inside of my other glove and just take it off this way. I'm still only on the clean part. All right, and then I want to go inside of the gown and just remove it like this, only touching the clean part. And then we can just remove our goggles, take my mask off, and snatch off that hairnet. And I have donned and doffed.